Oh, you were just outside in the rain. You know what that means. I still have to wipe off your puppy feet even though you're in Boston. You can't have wet puppy feet in your grandma's house. She wouldn't be very happy about that, would she? Thank you. And we just mowed the lawn. Don't grumble. Don't show your teeth. No. Don't do that. No. Don't growl, Lors. Don't grumble. Honors. No. Okay, here. I have something for you to say I'm so sorry. Here. Is that better? Give it to me. Give it. You better not jump on that couch, though. No jumpers on the couch, please.